Everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Been quite a while, but we are going to talk about Kroger again, finally. But there's this new deal that came out on this Cool Whip, and it's really crazy. It makes it free, so I'm really excited to share this. But if you didn't see my Vlogmas last night, I'd really recommend you check that out by clicking that little eye in the top right corner. There, I talked about future video goals for the next year and how I want to really focus more on Kroger, and I want your suggestions. So go check out that video and see what I was talking about with Kroger, what I want to do next year about Kroger. But anyways, let's just get into this deal on the free Cool Whip at Kroger. So in order to do this deal, this is through Kroger ClickList, which is a program where you select the items you want online and pick them up at the store. Not all Kroger locations have ClickList, so be sure to check that your store does. Now, I know a lot of you are very ClickList skeptics because I know there is a $4.95 fee. However, if you've never done ClickList before, you get your first 3 orders free. So there'd be no issues here. Like, you could just go in and grab this. Get it free and not even have to pay that $4.95 fee as long as you've never done ClickList. Or no, you get your first 3 orders for free. So you can just go right in there and get this for free and not even pay a fee for it. So it's really simple. I have a video in the description box below all about ClickList and how to use it. So you should check that out if you've never done this before. And I know it's kind of a different kind of experience and kind of weird because you just would rather go in the store and get it yourself. But in order to get you to use ClickList more, Kroger puts out these really good coupons. This is just what they do. I don't know why they do it this way. They want you to use ClickList. Therefore, they're going to put out these really great coupons to get you to do it. So that is what Kroger, this is their incentive to get you to try ClickList by giving you some free Cool Whip with this digital coupon. So here's the deal. You need to go ahead and pick up 5 of the Cool Whips. They're regularly $1.99. Kroger has them on a sale price of $1. Pick up 5 of them at $1 each. That brings your total to $5. This digital coupon for buy 5 save 5. When you buy 5 participating General Mills, Kraft, Heinz, or Pepsi Leader products, and they're all listed, if you click that button that says qualifying products, it will show you what items are participating and the Cool Whip is participating. So when you buy 5, you save 5. So that's going to take $5 off since you bought 5. So in the end, that you got $5 as your total, you're going to get $5 off. So it ends up making these totally free for 5 things of Cool Whip, which, oh my gosh, that is crazy price for Cool Whip. That's unheard of. So definitely, if you like Cool Whip and you can make the ClickList thing work out for free, I would do that deal on the Cool Whip. Now, I'm going to give you some other scenarios. Maybe you don't want 5 Cool Whips. You don't have to buy 5 Cool Whips. You just have to buy 5 items for the digital coupons. I'm going to give you some other scenarios of how this could work. Kraft barbecue sauce is $1.49. There's a $5 off 5 digital, that same coupon. So it makes it a net price of 49 cents. So let's just say maybe you want 2 Cool Whips and 3 barbecue sauce. You can totally do that and get these barbecue sauces, 3 of them, for 49 cents a piece. So here's kind of a tricky scenario. For this one, you need to buy 4 Ore-Ida fries, and that's only on select ones. So really study that digital coupon. The Ore-Ida shredded hash brown potatoes, they're a part of the digital. They're $2.99. They're also on a mini mega event where if you buy 4, you save $4 off. So you need to buy 4 of the fries and a Cool Whip. Or if you'd rather get the barbecue sauce, you can do that. That's just be 50 cents more. So you're going to get $4 off the mega event as well as that $5 off 5 digital, which makes it $3.96 for all 5 products or 99 cents each for the fries plus 1 free Cool Whip. So phenomenal deal there. Is that deal? As far as I can tell, it's a limit of 1. So let me know if you know otherwise. Check out these other Kroger deal videos that are currently going on right now. The deals are still valid, so check those out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching